Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Enola Holmes, so let's get started. To draw a cute Enola, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'm going to come right across, say about right here, and draw another circle. So there are my circles in. Let's make them Draw So Cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. So now I have my eyes in. Let's go ahead and come up to the sides right here and spruce them up with some lashes. So I'm just going to add two very simple lashes right to the sides. Two little curves. And then let's come above her eye, about right here. We're just going to draw a soft arc. And same thing on the other side, about right here. Sticking it up a little bit. Then from there, let's give Enola here a sweet smile. So about right here, just go ahead and draw a soft curve that goes up slightly and cap it off. Then let's frame her face. So I'm going to come to the top of her eye, really close to her lashes. So about right here, I'll give myself a point. And same thing here. And I'm basically going to draw a bottom of a U. So I'm going to come around her eyes. And I'll find my center, just makes it a little bit easier for me. So about right here, it's kind of where I want her chin. And I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a curve to that point. And same thing here. So definitely turn your body or the paper, whatever you need to help you draw these curves. There. Okay, so now I have her face in. I'm going to just imagine an oval. So let's say about right here in the center. I'm going to come up about right here and give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to draw her hairline. So it's a little bit softer curve right here. We're going to go up slightly and then bring it down to connect. So same thing here. Just go up slightly and then bring it down. There. Then from there, we're going to come up right to the center, go straight up to say about right here. And I'm going to go ahead and part it on both sides. And I'm going to come up and then down. Go up and then down. So we're going to bring her hair to about right here in this area, kind of like the center of her eye. So same thing over here, kind of like the about in this area. So let's come down and we're going to slightly curve it as we come down. So give it a little bit of a curve and then we're just going to curve it and tuck it in. Just a simple version of her hairstyle. So curve it a little bit and then just bring it in. There. And then you can come back in this area if you want some details. And come right here and just draw a curve for her hair. Her hair parts right in the center. You can draw some curves in here. And then let's tuck in a little ear right in this area. So I'm just going to put in a little curve and same thing here. There. And then we'll draw the rest of her hair a little bit later. Let's finish her outfit first. Now I'm taking a look. This side needs to be a little bit poofier. Sorry. There, to match that side. A little bit better. Okay, so now let's draw her outfit. So I'm going to come right here in the center. And about right here and here. And we're going to give her a little neck and then bring it down. Little neck and then bring it down. And we're going to stop right here. We're not going to round it off because her shoulders, her outfit has a little bit poof. So I'm going to stop about right here. And I'm going to start to angle it down a little bit for her top. Let's bring it down a little bit more. And about right there, I'm going to bring it in. We're going to give her a little bit of waist on her outfit right here. And before we finish that, let's come back to the top right here. And we're going to draw her collar. So let's bring this down towards the center. This little curve. And then we're going to thicken it up. About there. And then she has this part that goes straight across. Right here. And then it comes down. So it gets really close to here and it's going to come down at an angle. And let's see here. Before we finish that, we have to let's give her that little waist that we were talking about right here. And then we're going to come out. Come out a little bit. So then from there, we're going to come in. Now that we have this section, come in a little bit on both sides. And then we're going to connect it for a big curve in the center. So then from there, we can go ahead and draw this part. And then as we come down, just straighten it up a little bit. There. So hopefully that wasn't too complicated. And then we're going to draw a straight line down. A little bit thinner. And then there's all these buttons. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a bunch of buttons coming down. So a bunch of circles coming all the way down. So that's 5. So let's match the other side. Of course, there's a lot more in the real outfit, but we need to simplify it. There. Okay, so now we have that. Let's go ahead and draw her skirt. So I'm going to come in a little bit on both sides. And let's go out. We're going to wobble a little bit. And we're going to flare it out. To say about right here. Let's flare it out and let's come back into this area kind of like in the center as well. We're going to come straight down to about right there and then let's flare it out. And we're going to split it to about right there and then I'm just going to go ahead and connect. Little wobble and then I believe in here she's still wearing a pair of pants, right? So hopefully I have her outfit right. I'm going to come in here and just tuck in an indication of her pants. There. Okay, so then from there let's draw her feet. So it's just basically her boots. So it's kind of this side right here. And we're going to come down, we'll curve it out. And connect. So same thing here. Down and curve it out. And same thing. And connect. So then let's draw in some details. The sole part and then a curve. And we're just going to go up and connect it. So same thing on this side. There. Okay, So hopefully that wasn't too difficult. And then we're going to come back into this area and draw some crease lines. And we're going to draw some buttons once again. So we're going to bring some buttons down to about right here before it splits. So let's come right here. Guess we can put in maybe 4 before it splits. And once it splits, we're going to draw lines instead. Okay, let's just end it there and then put buttons on this side now. To not make it too complicated, right? Well, it actually does go all the way down, so okay, let's just add 2 more. Okay, there. Then let's draw her arms. So we're going to put her arms and her hands on her hips right in this area. So let's come back to about right here where her armpit area is, and then in this area we're going to poof it out a little bit. Let's bring this down. We want her hands about right here. And we're going to connect this and thicken it up. So her sleeves are straight, so about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and connect. And then her hands. So I'm just going to tuck her hand, just a little indication of her hands, and then a little finger right there. So same exact thing on this side. About right here, and then we're going to angle it in. About right there. Poof this part out. And elbow and out. And a little finger. There. And then for some details, you can add some, let's change the angle here, a little stripe. And let's see here, I think there's, well, we'll just add 1. And then now we can finish off her hair. So let's come back to where her ears are. And I'm just gonna wobble all the way down. And same thing here. There. And then you can just color this part in as if her hair is here as well. And that is pretty much it for my version here of Enola Holmes. I really hope I helped you draw her fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.